Why is July's full moon called the buck moon, and what does it have to do with deer antlers? Every year in July the full moon earns the name buck moon, and it's not just poetic, it's seasonal. Native American tribes, especially the Algonquin, gave it this name because male deer, or bucks, begin growing their antlers in July. It's a symbol of growth, renewal, and nature's rhythm. Other cultures have their own names too. The Celtic called it the claiming moon, and in Europe it's sometimes the hay moon, marking the time of harvest. This year the buck moon rises on July 10th, lighting the sky with ancient meaning and celestial beauty.